Hey guys, what's up? So this video is a quick update about my channel, plus I wanted to give you a tour of my apartment today. The reason I wanted to make this video about my tour of my apartment plus some channel update is because some of you know that I already graduated from Seoul National University here in Seoul, South Korea, and I'm actually moving to Japan. So I thought before I move to Japan, maybe I can make some videos about that are related to South Korea that could be really helpful for people who are planning to visit or travel here in South Korea. So I'll continue doing street interviews because I know a lot of you have subscribed my channel because I do street interviews, which I will continue doing it. But at the same time, I will also make videos like this, like, you know, about the food, grocery, so that, you know, if you're planning a trip to Korea, you could actually budget your stuff, you know. Anyways, so let's see and let's check out my apartment. Let's go. Okay guys, let me show you guys my apartment now. So as soon as you open the door, this is the main view of the apartment at first glance. Close the door. First of all, you have to take off your slippers. This is what Korean culture is. You have to always take off your slippers and then just leave them there. The best thing about my apartment is I love it because it's super compact, so everything is like fixed. So they just put this like kind of a cupboard or rack up there for you to put your shoes. As soon as you get in, you'll see the bathroom. The bathroom is super tiny, but it's amazing. I love it because, you know, I love washing my bathroom. It's a shower. Whenever I take shower, I can literally, simply, easily can also wash the bathroom. They have this also small, tiny cupboard here as well where I put my, you know, shaving stuff and toothbrush and everything. Towel, tissues, you know, very simple. I'm a minimalist kind of a person, so I don't like to buy so many stuff. So, and then if you see here, as soon as you come from the door, this is also another cupboard where you could actually put some other stuff of yours. You could put stuff on top of this, which is amazing. My bag is there. I put my juicer in my blender here because I love smoothies and drinking juices, so this is amazing. Next to the bathroom, this is the kitchen. This is my stove here, electric stove. This is my laundry. This is my refrigerator. So everything is dun, dun, dun. Can you imagine? Super speedy. This is also a small closet where you could actually put your food and stuff. I don't really cook, so I don't have a lot of stuff. But yeah, there are a few things. I love this thing. If you come to Korea, do buy a coffee maker because coffee outside is super expensive. You can save a lot of money. And this thing is here. Okay, that's something. If there's a fire, you know, it's for the water thing. Fire extinguisher kind of thing. So I hang my clothes here. This is a kind of a closet where you can hang your clothes. I also put my cameras and stuff here. Then this is the, yeah, I don't have a lot of food or anything in my refrigerator because I don't really cook. There's another space where you could put some stuff. As you move, this is my table. This is the place where I work. That's the movie, 5 Steps Away something. Yeah, 5 feet apart. It's a really beautiful movie. If you haven't seen it, do watch it. It's beautiful. Then they have also this rack up here where you can actually put your books and stuff. Air conditioning, amazing. Window. If I open the window, there's nothing. It's another building, so you don't want to see that. This is the bed. The best thing about this bed is they have other cupboards down here where you could actually put your clothes. There's some other cupboards here and stuff where you can put your things. That's the view from the other side of the room. It says keep calm, laugh more, because laughter is an instant, you know, trip or something. That's what I say. Anyway, so guys, this is the entire apartment thing, you know. Look at that. Whoa. That's my apartment. Oh, I can't even like move. I have to like literally move my hand because I can't do that. Anyway, so this is the apartment where I live. $400 a month. I pay deposits of $1,000, which they will return me when I leave. And all the electricity bill, gas bill, water bill is included in that $400. So as much as money you know, things I use, everything is included, so I don't have to pay extra bill, which is an amazing thing. But anyways, let me know in the comment section below, like in your country, $400, this kind of apartment, is it too expensive or too cheap, especially if you're living in the main capital city? Please do let me know in the comment section below, and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, smile. Peace.